You can't always tell what the road ahead might bring. As your vehicle gets older, the risk and the cost of mechanical breakdown increases. Each year, more and more sophisticated technology is built into vehicles. If something goes wrong, repairs are often complex and costly. And once you reach the end of your factory warranty, you'll have to pay out of pocket, leaving you vulnerable to a financial shock or shortfall. Fortunately, there is a way to protect yourself: the Mechanic Vehicle Service Contract. With 4 different levels of affordable coverage, you can protect your car's engine, transmission, air conditioning, ABS brakes, and more. The Mechanic also offers nationwide protection, so you can rest assured knowing your car can be repaired, no matter where you are. With 24/7 emergency roadside assistance and rental reimbursement, help is just a free phone call away. The Mechanic Vehicle Service Contract will get you back on the road and your life moving forward. Don't get caught without this valuable and affordable protection.